Ladies and gents, boys and girls, welcome back to 3-Minute Thursday. Used to do that before. Let's not do it anymore. Today's move is this. Oh, 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 oh. Now, granted, this move is easier with a TD Flair bottle, so I'm gonna use a glass one to show you that it's possible. Now, when you do it with the glass one, it's easier to do a flat throw. Oh, and yes, yes, and we've got it. Nice. Now, there are some bottles where this is easier, and there are some bottles where if you get it in the right position, it'll just kind of lock in place. The good thing about this one, this is a Campari bottle, is it has ribs, rigid head on the bottom of the bottle, so it doesn't slide so much, it kind of hooks in. So you just have to learn how to balance it. And of course, like with any stalling move, you're going to learn how to balance it first. So you're going to place the bottle on the side of the tin, and I'm going to balance it with my left hand. So you want to first find that position and start to learn to balance. Look at the focus. Yes. Okay. Once you've got that balance, then you're going to start by sliding it out of the shaker. I've never done it with my left hand. Sliding it out of the shaker. Woo! And learning to do the balance. Oh my God. There we go. Whew. Yes. If you want to drive with your right hand, go for it. Because I was struggling. Actually, my left hand is much better, it seems. Woo! Ooh. Yes. Then once you've got that, then you will start to try and do the throw. Now you can do it in front of you first. Just a flat throw up in front of you. Boom. Then you can go from behind your back. Okay. And then you can try other variations. But it's all the same. But again, the same as what I discussed in last week's video with the helicopter on tin, which I didn't do with the glass bottle. Let's just show you that it is still the same concept. You don't want to let it go poof on the side of the shaker. A sharp metal edge of the shaker going into the base of the bottle. Accidents can happen. So make sure you practice hardcore beforehand. Having a practice bottle like this is very, very useful to learning how to balance. Actually, that one is locked in now. Like it's kind of, you know, it's kind of on table, as I've said on other videos. In fact, if I just get it on the back of my hand, see how it's kind of locked into the edge of the shaker like that. But with a glass bottle, you cannot do that. So learning that balance is key to ensuring that you can perform this move. The better you get at it, you can even try and do it over your shoulder. As you saw, I did a single spin over the shoulder. Whew. The less spin, the less chance of it has of sliding off the edge of the shaker. So it comes over nice and slowly into the shaker for a nest. But I think you've got the concept of the move right now. And that is the end of this week's 3-Minute Thursday. Until next week, I'll see you then.